Join me as I dive into the ancient secrets of diets and put them to the test to see if they can really revolutionize how we eat today. For centuries, ancient civilizations have been perfecting their diets, and it's only natural that we look to the past for inspiration to improve our modern eating habits. The idea that old dietary practices could hold the key to solving our current health problems is not only intriguing, but also increasingly relevant. Modern diets are often characterized by an overwhelming amount of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. These dietary choices have led to a significant rise in chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Consuming high amounts of processed foods not only affects our physical health, but also takes a toll on our mental well-being. Many of us are aware of the negative impacts of these eating habits, but struggle to make meaningful changes. The lack of nutrient-dense foods in our diets means we're often left feeling unsatisfied and more likely to snack on unhealthy options. Our bodies are designed to thrive on whole foods, but the modern diet seems to have strayed far from this natural approach. Unhealthy eating habits developed over years can be challenging to break, but understanding their effects is the first step towards making a change. Moreover, the fast-paced nature of modern life often leads to quick, convenient food choices that are usually the unhealthiest options. The consequences of these choices are not limited to individual health. They also have a broader impact on our healthcare systems and the economy. By examining the root causes of these issues, we can begin to explore alternative approaches to eating. The food industry's influence on our dietary choices cannot be overstated, with marketing strategies often prioritizing taste and convenience over nutritional value. This has created a culture where unhealthy eating is not only common, but also normalized. However, by questioning these norms and seeking inspiration from ancient diets, we can start to make informed decisions about our health. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, has been widely recognized for its health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease. Traditional Asian diets emphasizing whole grains, lean proteins, and a variety of vegetables have also shown to contribute to longevity and overall well-being. A key component of these diets is their focus on whole, unprocessed foods and the practice of mindful eating. Incorporating elements of these ancient diets into our modern lifestyle can be surprisingly straightforward. For instance, adopting a Mediterranean-style breakfast with olive oil, whole grains, and fresh fruits can set a healthy tone for the day. Similarly, integrating Asian-inspired dishes like stir-fries with lean proteins and a variety of vegetables into our meal rotation can add much-needed nutrients to our diets. The emphasis on community and shared meals in many ancient cultures also plays a significant role in their dietary success. This approach not only fosters social connections, but also encourages a healthier relationship with food. By understanding and adopting these principles, we can move towards a more balanced and fulfilling eating experience. One groundbreaking study that caught my attention involved a group of individuals who switched to a traditional Mediterranean diet for a year. The results showed significant improvements in their cardiovascular health, weight loss, and overall quality of life. Personal testimonies like this one serve as powerful reminders of the potential benefits of embracing ancient dietary practices. Another compelling example comes from a community that adopted traditional Asian dietary habits, leading to a notable decrease in obesity rates and related health issues. These stories and studies highlight the practical applications and benefits of ancient diets in modern times. Incorporating ancient dietary principles doesn't have to mean completely overhauling your eating habits. Small changes, such as increasing your intake of whole foods and reducing processed food consumption, can have a profound impact on your health. The science backing these dietary changes is clear. By shifting our focus towards more whole, nutrient-dense foods, we can significantly improve our health outcomes. Embracing the wisdom of ancient diets offers a promising path forward in our quest for better health. To sum it up, ancient diets offer valuable lessons for our modern eating habits. By understanding the common issues with modern diets and exploring the components and benefits of ancient diets like the Mediterranean and traditional Asian diets, we can make informed choices about our health. If you're as intrigued as I am by the potential of ancient diets to revolutionize modern eating, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our next video on healthy eating tips to continue your journey towards a balanced lifestyle.